There may be some difficulty because the list expected to come on Monday has come today. So never mind. So any difficulty that will be accommodated. But let us go with the list. Yes.
My lord, on behalf of Miss Sanjeevani Mishra,
Yes.
item 11 may be taken up next week, my lord.
Anyone from Mr. Jafarullah, any associate of Mr. Jafarullah? Since this is a after notice matter, just wait. It will be urgent, no difficulty.
My
Yes.
lord,
Though both parties are present in after notice matters, then please mention.
my lord, item 12.
My lord, my
Also
serial
after notice.
My lord, I have to go to some another location. So,
Who is your other side? You are for the?
petitioner,
Who is the other side?
Ashok Kumar.
So please don't preempt them actually. By mentioning it, just goes on. They will come and say that we do not know. They may not object also. So suppose you are leaving the court, you can inform any of your learned colleagues who will mention on your behalf.
Last occasion, he has not appeared. That's what I don't.
Could be. I cannot assure his appearance.
Item number 14.
14, same thing. After notice, we both are there. Please mention.
Both parties are there.
Achha. Item 14, Mr. Mishra, you are there.
No, sir. I am for a petition on behalf of Vibhuti Bhushan Mishra.
Yes. Your
Sir,
name, sir?
Vibhuti Bhushan Mishra. Illness is there. So after.
Apanko naata, sir?
Sir, Anand Sagar Patra.
Anand AC Patra.
AS Patra.
AS Patra.
Yes, sir.
Anand Sundar.
Anand Sagar Patra.
Sagar.
Please.
Item 14 lekhantu, Mr. A.S. Patra,
Item 22.
on behalf of, again,
22 item.
14. na?
22.
14. Yes, sir.
Rajesh Prasad Bhagat achanti ki?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Apano to?
Yes, sir.
14, sir, not 22. On behalf of B.B. Mishra for the petitioner, Mr. R.P. Bhagat for the opposite party, you suggested date, both of you agree for a date.
Yeah, Monday.
Mountain. After vacation.
Se after vacation kouchindi, apano kon
Okay, sir.
kouchindi?
ठीक है sir.
Gote diyantu date karantu. On consent list on 23/6/2025.
Yes, sir.
My lord, item 17, my lord.
Yes,
It may be taken next week on Friday, next Friday.
both council, both.
The counsel for, I am for the OP2, my lord.
So please wait. When the matter is
No,
called,
What I am submitting, my lord, the petitioner on the morning telephoned me, you take the time. My submission may be.
that is
Okay.
how he did not call me. If both of you agree for adjournment, you both of you have to call me if I entertain. So it makes no difference. So who called whom and who received the call?
No.
Unless I am called and informed, I can only be called in the court. Please appreciate that. So out of
I
turn
have
mentioning
taken
of after
consent.
notice matters, and this is a hearing matter. Please don't
I
do
have
that.
taken consent, my lord.
Fair enough. I don't dispute that. Am I disagreeing? But you are even asking the matter to be taken up out of turn. There I have a difficulty. Please wait. Or if you are leaving the court, inform any of your colleagues. Please appreciate. I have to pass a order because no matter is urgent without a order. I can't pull up files and straight away start dictating a order. Call karantu.
my lord,
Mr. Naik. Mr. Kumar Naik for the petitioner. Mr. Devraj Mahanti AGA. Mr. Swai,
Fine.
Mr. Sanjeev Swai AGA for the opposite party.
my lord, a petition under section 447 BNSS has been filed on behalf of the wife petitioner with a prayer to transfer his city case number 856 of 2023, my lord, which relates to.
She has herself filed.
Yes, my lord.
The learned counsel for the petitioner wife appears in VC and addresses arguments. Khali wife lekhuntu ni petitioner likh diyantu. Petitioner is the also city is a complaint case. Copy that footage.
It is a case which has been registered by the police, my lord.
Which annex, sir? Which annex, sir? Upon the Kuchunti.
My lord, it relates to Lingaraj PS case number 307 of 2023.
Have you mentioned anything or annexed anything? That I am asking, sir.
Yes, my lord, that is a annexure number 7, my lord. Annexure number 7.
Petitioner is the complainant who has lodged FIR in Lingaraj PS case. PS case number ta koti paibe?
My lord,
Page.
PS case annexure 7, my lord.
Page.
Page 38, my lord. Page 38.
कोड FIR number ta 38 रे अछि केमति एते बडो
Page sir 38. Sir, annexure number.
filed and filed an FIR. Filed a FIR. Filed an FIR in Lingaraj PS case. That has led to which case? That's the after the corresponding case ta kono GR case na kon hela?
That is city case number 856 of 2023,
According to city case number 856 of 2023.
which is
Pending before.
my lord pending of P Gupta JMFC Co-1 Bhubaneswar, my lord.
Before the learned judicial JMFC cognizance into bracket 1-1 Bhubaneswar. The petitioner seeks transfer of the said case to Balasore. Issue notice along with this order. The learned AGA upon advance copy served appears on behalf of the opposite party number 1 waives notice. Notice to the opposite parties 2, 3 and 4 by registered speed registered post with AD. Requisites for issuance of notice be filed how much time?
My lord, within a period of 1 week.
Within 7 days as undertaken. List after SR. Yes. Next.
My lord, the petitioner wife has initiated, my lord, CP case number 708 of 2023, CRP number 164 of 2024 before the High Court of Family Judge Baleswar, my lord, along with the domestic violence case bearing number 105 of 2024, which is pending before the
What you are addressing, sir? You will not take notice. I will dismiss or what?
No, my lord. No.
Addressing. After issuance of notice by the court, why still you are addressing? I could not follow you.
All right, sir. Let the.
You yourself said that within 7 days you will file requisites for issuance of notice.
Right, sir.
No, anything else? आपण कौन कहउचंदी बुझी पारनी? Why what you are submitting?
No, sir. Let the notice be issued to the opposite parties after.
Already issued. You have taken time to file requisites.
Yes, my lord.
Jodi not interested, you can say not pressed. No problem.
No, sir.
Yes. Next. Mr. S.N. Sharma for the petitioner. Mr. Sanjeev Swai AGA for the OP. State party नांती हो अच्छी
State party, state is the party.
स्टेट पार्टी नांती
One, OP number 1. First page.
एमती कौन लिखचंदी वन लाइन स्टेट ऑफ ओडिशा आउ कि रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय के तेफनी
That may be deleted.
सिंपली तो ही परिवनी
Here,
the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that due to inadvertence
no, I am permitted to delete it.
TKT due to inadvertence though the OP number state of Odisha has been mentioned as OP number 1 in the petition, no further details regarding the represented through which authority or any address has not been given. He seeks permission to give the details by indicating the same in the cause title. Prayer is allowed. अपन delete करिवे ना नहीं
No, delete कर दे.
बिल्कुल रखियो नहीं state of Odisha.
State is not required to be party.
What will happen to Mr. Swai? He has already appeared.
I mean, so I mean, allowed to make necessary correction here, making the
Yes,
revenue
alright.
third party.
Aare 6 time no. 6 leave. 6 leave time kon
Just now I'll incorporate.
6 leave to by carrying out necessary correction in the cost title. Prayer is allowed. The details of OP number 1 shall be indicated in the cost title to be countersigned by the court master.
Milord, here, my
से कौन आपण माने अपोजिट पार्टी के इंस्पेक्टर करिवे
opposite party is wife.
नहीं नहीं स्टेट की एफआईआर रे जे अछंती इंस्पेक्टर इंचार्ज ना कौन हां सी हेबे
हाँ, से करबो।
आईआईसी नंदनकानन पुलिस स्टेशन रघुनाथपुर किबे पुलिस स्टेशन टा बोधे नंदनकानन नुह सेटा बोधे
Revenue
सेटा बोधे अब आपनकर
Milord, in fact,
मे बी कुड बी आपण देबे ठीक रे देखि दे पूछी दे
revenue department. Milord, here my grievance is that the opposite party number 2 wife, though he has lodged a petition FIR before the Nandankanan police station, indicating therein that she is residing at Raghunathpur within the jurisdiction of Nandankanan, she has filed a 120 the proceeding under under the new provision for maintenance before the judge family court Baripada. So now my grievance is to transfer the case from family court to Bhubaneswar.
look at 126
Milord?
look at CRPC 126 notice issue करी दोची
Okay.
but look at 126 in the amended provision I don't remember but I can give you. It is a very specific, there is a very specific provision as far as 125 CRPC is concerned. So it provides the details of procedure or where to be filed and what to be prosecuted.
Let notice well satisfy. after notice.
Likely, it is submitted that the wife, though stays at Bhubaneswar, has filed a petition under section 125 of CRPC before the learned judge, family court.
No, Milord, as per new provision, that is
Say provision to like देवे 125 equivalent. ये पढ़ी जाई पर कभी आगुली एटा सीधा कर देन
144 of BNS Act. Under section 144 of the BNS Act, filed before the judge family court Baripada. At you kindly see page 17 of the petition filed before the family judge Baripada. Annexed to me.
under section 144 of the Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Samhita 2023.
Milord.
Mr. Sharma, just kindly have 145. 45 of BNSS. Bhai achi?
No boy.
Acha, ठीक.
Or
125 no. 140, 120, 144. S. 144 of Bharatiya BNS Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Samhita, 2023. Learned Judge, Family Court, Baripada.
page 16. Kindly see page 16.
So it is submitted that such initiation of such proceeding has led to difficulty for the opposite party husband in that matter who stays at Bhubaneswar. Issue notice along with this order.
I file IA.
IA, because if you look at 145 IA, in fact, this see because of this difficulty of jurisdiction, because it says where he or his wife resides, So once you say that she resides in Baripada, she says, and it is maintainable at Baripada.
No, I only pray only the notice may go on IA.
Yes. Definite. One like it. Requisites for issuance of notice by speed oblique registered post with AD be filed
Within 1 week.
within 7 days. List after SR. Liberty to mention. IA 35 of 2025. Issue notice as above. The learned AG appears on behalf of the OP number 1. Waives notice. Notice to OP number 2. As above, accept one set of process fee and postal requisites. List after SR. Liberty to mention. For listing before the assigned bench. Ready correction kar debe?
Sanction.
I think you have to implement that particular police station. Or I don't know, if you like, you can delete also. No problem. If you delete, then you inform Mr. Swai, Mr. Mahanti, and I will also pass that on.
Deletion is better.
Delete. I will delete.
Delete.
Huh.
First, I will click. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that though State of Odisha has been implemented as OP number 1, as of now, the petitioner wants to delete the state opposite party. Prayer is allowed. OP number 1 is deleted. Rest same.
Delete will लिखे दरकार
खाली डिलीट
Yeah.
करियो
मतलब राउंड अप डिलीट will करो
रेजिस्ट्री करियो ना
आपण सेटा डिलीट करिकी आपण the deletion of OP number 1 shall be carried out in the
by the register.
cost title in the court
काउंटर साइन
to be countersigned by the court master. Yes. So RN Pushti for the petitioner.
My lord, the petitioner is the wife.
Opposite
The-
party blank. Yes.
The opposite party husband. My husband filed an application for divorce in the court of the Learned Judge Family Court, Raurkela, my lord.
Yes.
My husband is a resident of Talcher.
Yes.
In order to cause inconvenience and harassment to me, filed application in the court of Learned Judge Family Court, Bhubaneswar, my lord. And
Bhubaneswar, because you are here, so
no,
good lawyers are here available like you, so that is how it is Bhubaneswar.
no, my lord. Only to harass me.
You are
Only to cause harassment and inconvenience to me. Such
it
application
is
has been
submitted
filed.
that Hard Learned Counsel for the petitioner, it is submitted that the petitioner is the wife in the marriage. Her husband has initiated CP number 689 of 2024 before the Learned Judge Family Court,
Court 1,
Court 1
Bhubaneswar.
at Bhubaneswar. The petitioner resides at Raurkela.
The petitioner is residing at Raurkela.
Yes, petitioner resides at Raurkela. Therefore, she faces immense difficulty in attending the matter at Bhubaneswar. Issue notice along with this order.
My lord. My lord, interim the case is.
What is the stage, sir? ଆପଣ କନସିଲେସନ ଟାକୁ ବି ଷ୍ଟେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟେଜ ଯଦି କୋଉଠି କ୍ଲିୟର ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ଷ୍ଟେଜ ଅଫ ଦ ସୁଟ୍ ସିପି
ନାଇଁ ସେ କୋର୍ଟରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଫଙ୍କସନ କନସିଲେସନ ଟା ହେଇନି ଆଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ
ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ କଣ ନୋଟିସ ଯିବାରେ
ନାଇଁ
ଅଛି
ଆପରେ ଲାଭ କିଛି ହବନି କାହିଁକି ପ୍ରାୟର ଟୁ ଦିସ୍ ପିଟିସନ ବିଂ ଫାଇଲ
କନସିଲେସନ ରେ ଲାଭ କେମିତି ହବନି
ନାଇଁ ସେ ମତେ
any matrimonial matter should at least reach the stage of conciliation. The day it is filed, the other side notice is served on the opposite party. The lawyer advises we file a TRPC in High Court. That is not a correct approach.
ନାଇଁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ତ କନସିଲେସନ ହବ ସେ ପ୍ରଥମେ କଣ କଲେ
Conciliation Bhubaneswar is equally good. The husband also stays at Bhubaneswar. Conciliation ପାଇଁ କେତେଟା ଥର ଆସିବ
ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
Still better. Still better. Bhubaneswar is a neutral place. Both parties can come for conciliation.
I
So,
may be,
ଆପଣ notice ନିଅନ୍ତୁ.
no, further proceeding ଟା ନହେଲେ କିଛି problem ହେଇଯିବ ମତେ.
You have to state on oath what is the stage of proceeding. I must know what, without knowing, without appearance of the other side, how can I know?
ନାଇଁ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି କୋର୍ଟ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେଠି ଫଙ୍କସନ କରୁନି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ.
କୋଉଠି function କରୁଛି?
ଏଠି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ
ଦିଟା function କରୁଛି.
କୋର୍ଟ
ଦିଟା ଜାଗା function କରୁଛି. ସେଇଟା ଆମକୁ କହିଲେ କେମିତି ହବ?
ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଦିଟାରେ
ଆପଣ notice ନିଅନ୍ତୁ. Please be patient till they appear. जो preemptive stay ହେଲେ that doesn't inure to the benefit of the petitioner. Suppose you see in the CP, she will support the CP or oppose the CP. She wants divorce or she wants to stay with the husband.
My lord, she wants reunion, my lord. Reunion.
So that is more the reason that it should not be stayed. At least it should be that stage of conciliation. Then why Hindu Marriage Act, the original jurisdiction is family court. It should be the High Court.
What is my...
You understand? This
I understand, my lord. What is my
so
difficulty?
please be patient and let them appear. Order, issue notice fixing early returnable date. Along with this order, fixing early returnable date. Requisites for issuance of notice by speed oblique registered post with AD be filed within
7 days.
Within
7 working days, my lord.
7 working days. List after SR, liberty to mention. IA 103 of 2025. Hard learned counsel for the petitioner. He reiterates his submissions as noted above. Issue notice as above. Accept one set of process fee as well as postal requisites. List after SR, liberty to mention. Upon जो anxiety रहुची date fix करियोनी बोली, you have to make a little bit extra effort of mentioning the matter. In case of any difficulty, when your petition is pending, you can always come to the court and state that this is the urgency. But blanket stay, when you see after you have received notice, you have annexed the notice.
No, more case
in most of the cases, I am not saying about your case. When I am asking that, have you appeared? Have you taken any steps in the pending CP? The answer is no. We have come for here and we have stayed it. So by the process, nothing happens. The delay in matrimonial matters is contributed or accentuated by TRPC and TRPCRL in 125 CRPC. So that you please come. It is a legal remedy. Definitely, somebody having difficulty will file. So let them appear. So I am just thinking aloud, just drawing your attention to these aspects, and you use your good offices to arrive at a solution as far as the proceeding is concerned. Yes.
My lord, I have old and ailing parents, my lord. It will be difficult on my part.
Sir, old and ailing parents, because the parents would be old and ailing. That is how that provision is not there. If it is a statutory provision that whoever has old and ailing parents, he should be given preference. He or she should be given preference in choosing the place of litigation,
my lord,
or the forum. That is not there. So it is a consideration, definitely. But let us wait. Now they will say that my parents are older than their parents. Usually the husband's parents are older than the wife's parents. So your logic goes.
No, my logic is
flies off in the window. If you compare the age of the wife's parents and the husband's parents, definitely husband's parents will be usually they are older. Yes, next. So Byomoke Sahoo for the petitioner.
My lord, the annexure 2 is pending at Borgad.
Yes.
The annexure 1, my lord, annexure 2 initiated by the husband.
Yes.
The annexure 1 is initiated by the wife, which is pending at Sambalpur.
Yes.
And my lord, the husband now working at working in MCL and posting at Hon'Ble. And the wife, my lord, now working as a temporary basis at Sambalpur. My lord,
You hardly given 2 years for the settlement in the marriage. They have started fighting within 2 years. It is hard learned counsel for the petitioner. It is submitted that the petitioner is the opposite party in the CP. File CP number 15 of 2025
25, my lord.
pending before the learned judge, family court, Borgad, initiated by the husband under section 10 of the Hindu Marriage Act. Section 10 ने कौन चाहूँगी?
Judicial separation.
For judicial separation. It is submitted that the wife has also initiated CRL criminal miscase number 9 of 2025 before the learned judge, family court, Sambalpur. That is a petition under section 144 of BNSS for maintenance. BNSS, 2023 for maintenance. The petitioner wife is facing difficulty in attending the matter at Borgad. Therefore, prays for transfer of the CP number 15 of 2025. Kodi.
From Borgad to Sambalpur.
From Borgad to Sambalpur. Issue notice along with this order. Fixing early returnable date, requisites for issuance of notice be filed within
By Monday, your lordship.
requisites for issuance of notice by speed oblique registered post with AD be filed within 3 working days. List after SR, liberty to mention. IA 112 of 2025. Issue notice as above, accept one set of process fee oblique and postal requisites. Liberty to mention. List after SR. Ago list after SR, tapare liberty to mention. Yes, next.
My lord, in item 5, the petitioner has filed the application seeking.
You are Mr. Pradhan?
No, Mr. Patel.
Patel, Mr. KK Patel for the petitioner. Yes, what you want, sir?
The present application has been filed for.
Here, Mr. Swai or Mr. Mahant? Mr. Devaraj Mahanti, AGA for the opposite party. State of Odisha रे की आपण कहा को पार्टी कर देले तो same style of State of Odisha should be represented by State of Odisha is inanimate.
Yes,
You have
I
to
will-
represent कहा को चाहूँचंती करिए बोली or you want to delete?
Delete, man. In the outtake is such in the present case, I am seeking transfer of CP number 2024 from Bhubaneswar to family court Cuttack.
Correct. So the only one is state.
Yes,
State represented through whom?
that is inordinate error,
Not necessary.
not necessary.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though State of Odisha has been implemented, made OP number 1, has been implemented as OP number 1, he does not seek any relief against the said opposite party and may be permitted to delete OP number 1. Prayer is allowed. Necessary correction in the cost title shall be carried out by the learned counsel for the petitioner, deleting OP number 1 in court today to be countersigned by the courtmaster.
My lord, there are two cases. One is criminal case and another is civil case. For civil case, the present application has been filed, and for criminal case, TRP CRL number 28 of 2025 was filed. So, order देखिए
TRP CRL रे कौन हैला?
order देखो ସେଥିରେ କହିଥିଲେ ଏ TRP सीटा along with ହେଇକି 13/5 ରେ ଆସୁ.
The learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that by order dated 17/4/2025 in TRP CRL number 28 of 2025, it was directed the matter to be listed along with TRP CRL
present case.
28 of 2025. Listed जो लिख लेनी की listed on 13/5/2025. Let both the matters be listed on 13/5/2025.
Okay, let's
Yes, next. Mr. B.K. Ponda for the petitioner, Mr. S.K. Joshi for the opposite party. So Joshi has vanished.
अन्य कोर्ट को जाए
अच्छा,
5
अच्छा।
नंबर I already served
caveat
copy.
ଅଛନ୍ତି copy
Yes.
caveat copy sir କରିଛନ୍ତି
They are today I served.
for the caveat opposite party no caveat ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. It is submitted by the learned counsel Mr. Joshi that he is in caveat. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has already served copy of the petition on the learned counsel for the caveator opposite party.
Yes.
The caveat stands discharged. आज केबे डेट କହିଛନ୍ତି केबे आनिबे
My lord.
caveat discharge जो ହେଲା जे केबे लिस्ट केबे करिवे को दिन when both of you are present it can be taken up.
Monday my lord.
As prayed for list on आज Saturday difficult हबो पठिया पे listing ପାଇଁ list on
Tuesday
6-5-20-25 on consent list on 6-5-20-25.
No problem.
Yes.
Maybe sir.
You are Mr. Dolei.
No man, I am.
Mr. Biswaranjan Dolei.
Yes ma'am.
Yes. You are Devidatta Mahapatra.
Sushant Kumar Das.
Mr. S.K. Das. Biswaranjan Dolei for the petitioner. Mr. S.K. Das for the opposite party. Yes.
Petitioner filed seeking transfer of CRP number 83 of 24 from the court of Judge Family Court of Bhubaneswar to Jagatsinghpur. The background of the case is that the opposite marriage was occurred at Jagatsinghpur.
So 125 reta.
Yes, madam.
So look at
Yes, I am concerned that where she last resides, madam.
Kindly look at it.
Yes,
Let us not avoid looking at it.
126, madam.
No.
Where he is or where his wife resides.
ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ନହେଲେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା
ଅଛି madam.
ନାଇଁ ସେ
126.
ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି
Where he or his wife resides, madam. Where he last resides with his wife or as came maybe with the mother of the illegitimate child, madam.
So କୋଉଥିରେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ where he is, where his wife resides, where last resides, they both resided, or the mother of the child. Past କୋଉଥିରେ ସେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି where she is not coming.
She has filed with the false address, my lord. Can see the order dated.
Sir, that I cannot delve into. False address or correct address, that plea you have to take in the learned trial court. The learned trial court, it may have a consequence. You must understand.
As for the provision, she last resides, my lord.
No. You are not. You are yourself referring to 126, then you are saying, but there can be 4 places of initiating the proceeding. What a gala se judgment. Where he is residing, where his wife is residing,
yes, madam.
Where they last resided, or the mother of the child resides. Chatta jagare paribo. So which one, according to you, is not complied with?
The address of the present address of the opposite party. He filed the CP with the false address. Can't see the endorsement of the Dismissal court order dated 12/3/25, my lord. Notice issued that address, but that is the unserved return. And then again,
No, that is not evidence of false.
Miller.
Sir, you are adding too much to the order. Sir, don't add. I thought that court has said that it is a false address. So, sufficiency of insufficiency of notice is not cannot be.
now CP.
So you please confine to
Yes, madam.
let us complete 126.
Now I told.
So it is where she resides and she has stated.
Yes, madam.
So it is satisfied.
CP number 164 was pending before the Judge Family Court Jagatsinghpur. She is appearing there, my lord.
125 CRPC is regulated by 126 CRPC.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Those 4 places she can
She
file.
can file.
So
Yes.
she has filed in one of the places.
Yes, ma'am.
So no merits not to be considered. No merits.
Another case.
How can the statute can be overridden by a court exercising jurisdiction?
One case pending before the judge, family court.
One case or two
And she
cases,
is also,
but
she is also appearing.
sir, that is not in the realm of the court to decide. That is for the realm of the, I mean, there is a legislative mandate in form of a statute. It is regulated by the statute. It is unheard of that the regulating procedural statute code is even BNSS same thing, 145.
Same,
It
145.
is not amended also. How can the court override those provisions? If you want to challenge that proceeding on that a false address has been given in the 125 CRPC, then you challenge that in that proceeding, in the original side.
Yes.
Hard learned counsel for the 125 decision would have thila. Se pore ani betha chhadi din.
He will appear in virtual mode, in some that.
In virtual mode, if the prayer is made, the court refuses. You see, this is the standard practice now throughout India. See, the husband and wife, when they're working, they work at different places. One is in the north, one is in the south. So that's a standard practice.
Yes.
You have to pray the, court where the matter is prosecuted.
Yes, yes.
If the court is not allowing, then that's that different thing. Hard learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned counsel appearing for the opposite party. The petitioner in the petition seeks transfer of the CRP number 83 of 2024, pending in the pending before the learned judge, Family Court, Bhubaneswar, to learned judge, Family Court, Jagatsinghpur. CRP 83 of 2024 has been filed by the wife before the so and so Judge Family Court Bhubaneswar under section 125 of the CRPC. The procedure for proceeding under section 125 is prescribed in section 126 of the CRPC. 126 one ta quote kar debe. 126 dot procedure dash into bracket English 1, then A, B, C pura ta quote kar debe. Then cross. On being asked whether the place of initiating the proceeding is in any manner has been violated, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the address given in the petition, address of residence of the petitioner given in the petition at Bhubaneswar is not correct. But it is not disputed that the wife has given her address at Bhubaneswar. The opposite party wife, petitioner in the CRP, has given her address at Bhubaneswar, and the petition under section 125 CRPC has been filed before the learned judge, Family Court, Bhubaneswar, having jurisdiction. In such view of the matter, the prayer for transfer of the petition under section 125 CRPC, that is CRP number 83 of 2024 from Bhubaneswar to Jagatsinghpur, is rejected. Para. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the husband may be allowed to utilize the, what is that facility? Digital data code account. The facilities such as virtual court, virtual hearing, etc., for which the husband shall move the court in season of the matter. If any such prayer is made, the court shall pass orders accordingly in accordance with law. The petition stands disposed of. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of the
Asutosh
OP.
Mahanti, on behalf of LK Maharana for the petitioner.
No,
Which
Your
one
Lordship, I'm
said
appearing for the
Soumya
OP.
Jyoti? Anyone?
I am-
Author call karantu.
Lordship, I am appearing for the OP, Ashutosh Mahanti.
Petitioner none. Mr. A. Mahanti, opposite party. Hybrid bond lekhibe. The learned counsel for the opposite party, Mr. A. Mahanti, appears in VC and addresses arguments to grant further opportunity. List on. When do you want, Mr. Mahanti?
Your Lordship, as soon as Your Lordship pleases, because there is a stay that is operating against us.
No, I am very
So-
today, but the thing is that he is not appearing. So you suggest a date where you will be pleased so that we can adjourn it.
Unofficially, I have been informed that the brief has been taken from the petitioner counsel.
That cannot be recorded unless they come up.
Officially. Any day next week, Your Lordship.
List on 7-5-20-25 for orders. It is also observed that the matter shall proceed irrespective of the appearance or otherwise of the learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes.
Much obliged.
12 कर दूंगा लंबा डेट कर दूंगा 12-5 महांती 12-5
Much obliged. Much obliged.
Yes,
Much
yes.
obliged. As Your Lordship.
My lord, I am for the opposite party in the first transfer case.
TRPC 118, you are the petitioner.
And the opposite.
Mahanti, Satyabrata Mahanti.
Yes, ma'am.
So Satyabrata Mahanti, your name, sir?
I am Akshay Jain.
Mr. A. Jena, A.K. Jena. A.K. Jena for the petitioner, Mr. Om Swarup for the opposite party. Final mediation report. What happened in the mediation, sir?
My lord, mediation failed. Several mediation has been done in the family court also. The same was failed.
So you agree for a place? What is the first petition for transfer of which petition?
From Bhubaneswar. First one is my lord 118 2024.
Yes.
This is filed by the wife, and two cases are
From which place to which place?
Bhubaneswar to Cuttack.
Bhubaneswar to Cuttack. Mr. Swarup, second case is by you.
It's by me from Cuttack to Bhubaneswar.
So you agree for both of you agree for either Cuttack or Bhubaneswar?
My lord, it may be done at Bhubaneswar because he has
Because in between Phulnakara is not having any court. But for this purpose, we have to start every court in the border of each of the districts. Or you can agree for Khordha, both of you, because Khordha is well connected now.
But if I suggest I will withdraw my transfer, if they withdraw their transfer, it may remain where it is.
Fair enough. Yes.
My lord, my problem is, my lord, I have a...
You see, when please also consider Mr. Swarup and Mr. Jena that mediation, no amount of mediation has worked for both of you. You want your ways of life to be separate. What is the CP? One is CP, other is maintenance. 125 or DV. 125. 125. So it has to be taken up together.
My lord.
And you see, Cuttack and Bhubaneswar are, there are twin cities. All these difficulties faced by any of the parties, the court cannot record on the face of it in facts. And when you are having grand plans for both the cities, you start by judicial pronouncements that there is difficulty in traveling or difficulty in attending. All these things are not tenable, sir.
I have a small child. He's only 9 years.
Small child should not be taken to court, either at Cuttack or at Bhubaneswar.
A small child, she was at the year 2017. At that time, they did not had any.
Even a newborn baby cannot be taken to either at Cuttack or at Bhubaneswar. Yes. Both the courts, though there are facilities for crèche and other, but that is besides the issue.
Yes. They had initiated the case at Bhubaneswar, so
because the wife when he has thinking about separation in the to be separated, he is also must be thinking that either to be having custody of child or not. See, now the child will also be subject matter of litigation.
Yes.
And mediation has failed. So let it be to be mentioned. I am giving you next week. You obtain that instruction.
My lord, after vacation.
No, after vacation. This process of delaying the CP of 2022, both the matters, there is no point.
It
This
has been
are to the pending and pendency and without giving any result.
Okay. Next week.
My lord, I may submit.
TRPC 118 लिख ले तो ता संगर लिखिए TRPC 243 of 2024. The TRPC 118 of 2024 has been filed. And Olga लिखो तो what the TRPC has been filed by the wife.
Let me mention one thing.
Please.
My lord, day before yesterday's criminal proceeding was here, where she attended and she has been deposed here. Without any, in her deposition, she was asked either she is having any difficulty in coming to court. She negated it. She told that she cannot. The difficulty is that she cannot, because the reason being that in Cuttack and Bhubaneswar, somebody staying at Chakeshani is closer to Cuttack. If one travels from Chakeshani to the other end of Bhubaneswar, all those things I am not saying. It's not that I am sitting on an ivory tower and not looking at anything. The travel time from Chakeshani to Bhubaneswar court is more than if one travels to Cuttack because of the traffic, city traffic. So logic, Mr. Swarup, don't expect logic to work. My lord, I am for the husband. I am saying that it may not be transferred.
Yes. So for whatever reason she has filed. It may be legal advice or whatever. So to register the proceeding of the whatever is initiated in CP or 125 CRPC or Section 9, this is a ploy.
My lord, we have paid.
Because you see, both of you have made up your mind. You are not agreeing in mediation initiated by the High Court.
We have paid already 14 lakhs in maintenance till today.
That you have to. 14 lakhs or 41 lakhs is not favoring your wife.
It may be.
It's a legal. It's a legal entitlement.
Yes, my lord. Please, my lord.
For transfer of the CP number so and so, CP number 1187 of 2022, pending before the Judge Family Court, Bhubaneswar, initiated by the husband, opposite party. The wife has initiated CRP number
229 by 70.
CRP को
I guess
CRP number 462 of 2023.
Okay.
Before the family judge Cuttack. For restitution of conjugal rights.
Yes.
Under Section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act. By orders of court. See, you restitution लिख लेने की. Conjugal rights. For transfer of the said CP number 462 of 2023 pending before the Judge Family Court Cuttack. TRPC 243 of 2024 has been initiated. By the husband.
Yes.
Both the TRPCs have been tagged and taken up together. By orders of this court, the matter was referred to mediation. By order dated 11/9/2024 of this court. Matter referred to mediation. To the court annexed mediation. The report of the mediator dated 12/11/2024 16/12/2024 indicates that the mediation has failed. Apparently, the parties do not agree for any settlement, even towards selecting a place of prosecuting the litigations, one by the husband under section 13(1) in the HMA, the other by the wife under section 9 of the HMA. In such scenario, the purpose would be served in keeping both the matters pending before this court. Before this court stuff. Both the matters are pending since almost more than a year. Without achieving any objective of resolution. Rather, the process of adjudication in both the matters has been stalled. On being asked by the court if the parties can agree for choosing a place of litigation of both the cases, the learned counsel appearing for the parties on instruction submit that they cannot agree. Cuttack and Bhubaneswar, being twin cities separated by a distance of about only 20 kilometers, both the parties having selected their places of prosecuting the respective matters are allowed to prosecute the matters. Both the TRPCs stand dismissed. Interim order passed in any of the interim order passed earlier stands vacated. Second pass kari order likhiwe TRPC 243 of 2024 re. In the connected TRPC 118 of 2024, the following order was passed. Pura that reproduce kar debe. Appearance saman rahela, first just taku copy paste kar debe. In view of the order, in view of the above, the TRPC this TRPC also stands dismissed. Both last line likhantu, it is expected that both the parties shall cooperate in pending proceedings before the courts at Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. Yes.
May I please, let's see.
Mrs. DJ Sahoo for the petitioner?
Let's see, Devadipta Sahoo, D Sahoo.
Only D?
Yes, let's see.
In your chamber, only D's will be have to be either DJ or D.
He is
Yes.
Divya Jyoti Sahoo, let's see.
I thought Divya Jyoti. You are not Divya
My
Jyoti.
lord, I am Devadipta.
Devadipta.
Yes, let's see.
Devadipta Sahoo, Mrs. Devadipta Sahoo for the petitioner. Where is Mr. Mahapatra? NN Mahapatra?
Let's see, past occasion also he was absent.
None appears for the opposite party. Likhantu none. None appears for the opposite party when the matter is called. Did you communicate inform the learned counsel?
Yes, sir, let's see.
You provided a copy.
Let's see. Copy was provided here, let's see.
Receipt you have filed?
No, yeah, that's it.
Ms. Sahoo, Mrs. Sahoo, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that In terms of the earlier order dated 23/4/2025, she has served a copy of the said order, website copy of the said order on the learned counsel for appearing for the opposite party, Mr. Mahapatra. She shall file the acknowledgement in the court. She is requested to serve copy of today's order on Mr. Mahapatra appearing for the opposite party. Website copy should left. Then also write the registry is also registry shall also intimate the learned counsel Mr. Mahapatra appearing for the opposite party. Reading listing of the matter. List on 12 केबे चाहुचंदी
Lordship 12th.
12/5/2025.
Interim order is there, Your Lordship.
Interim order as passed earlier shall continue. You have idea what happened to the proceeding?
Lordship, stay has granted by this honorable court, Your Lordship. The civil proceeding is stayed, as well as the petition filed by the petitioner wife, 125 proceeding, that is also stayed, Your Lordship. 125 is filed by the wife before the family judge Keonjhar, Your Lordship. And section 9 petition filed by the husband.
So,
before
both the transfer petitions have been filed or only one petition?
one petition, that is from Rourkela to Keonjhar. The wife filed this petition.
The interim order dated 5/8/2024 shall continue till the next date of hearing. Yes.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
Somebody mentioned?
My lord, on behalf of Miss Sanjeevani Mishra, kindly.
You are Mr. Patnaik.
Yes, my lord.
Kindly just repeat your name.
Gautam Patnaik.
Mr. G. Patnaik on behalf of Ms. S. Mishra for the petitioner. Mr. Sheikh Jafarullah for the opposite party. When do you want? Date?
My lordship convenience. Next week, my lord.
More convenience the date. Today is convenient, most convenient.
Next week, my lord.
There are several litigation. Both they are now not living together. So they are separate last 8 years. So there is it will be sent for mediation. That would be better for.
Take instruction.
Yes, my lord. Interim order to be continued, my lord.
Happens regularly.
Several litigations.
The learned counsel for the adjournment is sought for on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner. The learned counsel appearing for the opposite party submits that the petitioner and the opposite party have been separated for some time, and there may not be
there is no chance of union.
For some time. Stop. The matter may be referred to mediation in the interest of both the parties. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall also obtain instruction. List on 12/5 na आपण mediation पे instruction नहीं होंतु. केबे नहीं परिवे. केबे नहीं परिवे. List on 12/5 learned counsel for both the parties shall obtain instruction referring the matter for mediation.
Interim order to be continued.
Interim order dated so and so shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Obliged.
12, my lord. On behalf of Mr. Nag, my lord.
Mr. M.K. Pagal for Mrityunjay Pagal for M.K. Naik for the petitioner. Who is for the other side? Opposite party, none.
Last occasion also was absent, my lord.
None appears for the opposite party when the matter is called. When the matter was last taken up on 25/4/2025, no one had appeared for the opposite party. The learned counsel for the petitioner is requested to provide website copy of this order on the learned counsel for the opposite party. The registry shall also intimate the learned counsel appearing for the opposite party. List on 12/5/2025.
After vacation.
After vacation.
Okay.
After vacation date करूँ 26/6 आज prayed for. Mr. H.N. Mahapatra for the petitioner.
May I please, boss?
Again. Who is for Mr. M. Pagal for the opposite party? Yes.
My lord, I have sought for transfer of the civil proceeding number 818 of 2024
Yes.
from the Court of Judge Family Court Cuttack to London Judge Family Court Puri. On the ground that your lordships kindly see, the husband is of Kendrapada district and the petitioner is of Jagatsinghpur district. Husband is working at Bhubaneswar and residing at Bhubaneswar. Wife is getting 1.5 lakhs per annum. And wife is residing at Puri, a slanty salary of 10,000 for her maintenance. And now, my lord, the husband, while residing at Bhubaneswar, has filed the case at Cuttack.
Because you can appear at Cuttack, or Mr. Mrityunjay will appear at Cuttack. They have a choice of lawyer. Cuttack and Bhubaneswar, you can't.
No, my lord, I am seeking from Cuttack to Puri.
I understand. Somebody staying at Bhubaneswar can always file at Cuttack if the section Hindu Marriage Act is satisfied.
Even if my
Base of suing Cuttack Bhubaneswar makes no difference.
right. My lord, even if she is residing at Bhubaneswar and filing a application at Cuttack, I don't have any quarrel with that.
So yes, Mr. What is your instruction? If it is transferred to Puri?
I pray, my lord, kindly refer to mediation, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Mahapatra. Take a chance. You can part peacefully also. Either you resume the matrimony or you use your good offices. See, so today or you will obtain instruction, Mr. Mahapatra.
I will take instruction, madam.
Appearance likely. It is submitted by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that petitioner's wife seeks transfer of the CP 818 of 2024 pending before the Learned Judge Family Court Cuttack to the Learned Judge Family Court Puri.
Puri, madam.
As the petitioner wife now stays at Puri, though she is original resident of Jagatsinghpur.
Jagatsinghpur district.
It is submitted that the husband works at Bhubaneswar and has chosen the place of suing the matter.
He is of the district of Kendrapada. He is the district of Kendrapada, my lord. He is belonging to the district of
That is
Kendrapada.
not relevant. It's not relevant.
But he is residing at Bhubaneswar.
It is the Learned Counsel for the opposite party submits that considering the age of the parties and the period of and the fact that the marriage was only solemnized in February 2021, the matter be referred to the mediation for benefit of both the parties. Mr. Mahapatra seeks accommodation to obtain instruction. As prayed for, केबे चाहुचंदी Mr. Mahapatra?
गोटे सप्ताह
Next week.
12/5 Western 12/5/2025.
interim order may be extra.
Interim order dated
Interim order dated your lordships. दस 12/12/2024.
10/12/2024 shall continue till the next date of hearing. Yes, next. Yes, please. Mr. mention किए करथिले Mr. Ponda. Fourteen ने AC mention करनथिले. Mr. Bhagat was there. I have dictated bode. Stay already dictation के नहीं चलती. Dictated. 14 dictated लेकिन. যদি মিলিবনি তাহলে তার কনফিউশন হবে again লিস্ট করে দেবে আউথরে 15 Mr. R. Behera for the petitioner.
Man, wait, please, your lordship. On the last occasion, notice was issued and there is a
opposite party blank. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner refers to the order dated 17/3/2025 issuing notice. Office note put up by the registry indicates the following. Office note quote कर देखिए dated office note dated 1/5/2025 indicates the following. The track consignment shows that the notice was served on 26/4/2025. Postal article was delivered. Postal article was delivered on 26/4/2025. List on 14/5/2025. Registry shall verify if any learned counsel has entered appearance on behalf of the opposite party.
And the interim order may be continued.
Interim order dated so and so shall continue. Dated 17/3/2025 shall continue. No, there is no interim order.
Interim order in the nature of that if I file an adjournment, that will
Yes.
that.
As directed by interim order dated 17/3/2025, if the petitioner moves the learned judge in the learned court in season of the matter in MAT civil suit number 24 of 2024, the same shall be adjourned beyond 16/5/2025. Yes, next. Mrs. Susumarani Sahoo. Sahoo for the petitioner. Mrs.
Appearing for
A. Das for
respondent.
the opposite party. Yes.
My lord, one copy of the TRPC application may be served on us. We have only received from the order, my lord.
The file wakalattama.
My lord, on 24/4/25.
Mrs. Das, A. Das, London Council, appearing for the opposite party, requests for an extra copy of the TRPC. The London Council for the petitioner shall serve the application along with annexes on the London Council for the opposite party. When do you want? Kebe?
I need it before vacation.
Mediation ku jibe na kon karibe?
My lord. Mediation आगे हम पर instruction नहीं.
The London Council for the petitioner kon likhi sentence ta shall serve copy of the annexes within 2 working days. I would a copy they do. She is requesting for a copy.
My humble submission for lord, so kindly this matter may be taken up, sent to the mediation center, my lord.
Correct.
My lord.
Mrs. Sahoo, London Council, appearing for the petitioner, submits that in the interest of both the parties to the litigation, the matter may be sent for mediation. The London Council, for appearing for the opposite party, seeks accommodation to obtain instructions.
My lord.
As prayed for list on 12/5.
After vacation, my lord.
Asu 12/5 যদি আপন mediation ku jai paribe asila নহলে arjan karibe fere after vacation se try to get, because it is your suggestion, if she is successful in getting that instruction, it can be sent.
My lord, interim order to continue, my lord.
Interim order dated
17 March 2020.
17/3/2025 shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Obliged.
First hour I am to mention, my lord.
Your name, sir?
AP Ambika Prasad Rai, OP2. I am the OP2. She is the
For Mahanadi Coalfields, it is
land.
Who is appearing? You are appearing.
Yeah, your lordship.
For the appellant, your name?
Your lordship, my name is P. Agarwal. I'm appearing on
P. Agarwal on behalf of
Senior Advocate J. Patnaik.
Ms. P. Agarwal on behalf of Mr. J. Patnaik, Senior Counsel. Instructed by T.K. Patnaik or S. Patnaik. This is S. Patnaik. Yes, Mr. Rai?
My lord, it not taken next
The London
Friday.
Council. When do you want? Both of you agree for a date.
Yes, yes.
Special Land Acquisition Officer likhibe. AP Rai hochanti. Just a second. Mr. Ansuman Sethi.
No, your lordship, this is on behalf of Prabhu Prasanna.
Mr. Prabhu Prasanna Behra.
Sir, lordship.
For the Additional Standing Counsel for the OP1. OP2, Mr. AP Rai.
My lord.
Yes. Yes, agree for a date.
Friday, my lord. Next Friday. Yes.
This is for hearing.
My lord.
Achha. Yes, Ms. Agarwal.
We agree.
List on 9/5/2025 on consent. Yes, next.
Excellent lordship. This is a land acquisition proceeding, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, my land as per RR is acre 0.388.
Mr. Mahapatra, instead of appearing in VC, why you are not coming to court? You will not be coming to Kotak.
At Barampur, my lord.
Huh? Yes, yes.
I'm at Barampur.
When will come to Kotak?
By Wednesday, I will come.
The other matter you did not appear? There is one other matter of yours, NN Mahapatra?
That is Nushingo Narayan Mahapatra. By sitting here, I will know my name is there. Whereas it is Nushingo.
You are not Nushingo.
I am Nushingo Nanda Mahapatra. His name is the previous counsel Nushingo Narayan Mahapatra.
Sure.
Narayan Mahapatra. For that reason, I am again.
Nushingo Nanda Mahapatra for the petitioner. 18 is Prabhu. When the appellant is at appellant, appellant is represented by the Nushingo, then respondent is by Prabhu. Yes. 18 is Prabhu also.
Rajdeep Pradhan.
Mr. Rajdeep Pradhan for the AC for the opposite parties. Learned counsel for the petitioner appears at the virtual court, High Court of Orissa, Ganjam at Barampur. 21, Mr.
After Thursday, Friday, let it come. I will ask him. Or after.
On consent list on 12-5.
Yes.
Yes, 19.
Okay.
Mr. Pradhan is not there.
Yes,
I mean, both are Pradhan. Mr. Rajdeep Pradhan.
This is mine.
You are, yes. You will place the appeal or today, or you want adjournment?
I can take an adjournment, but I am ready.
Yes, Mr. Pradhan, today or next date, when do you want?
I am ready. I have already filed my written note of admission.
No, it has to be hard actually. It has to be hard. Again. You suggested date, or you can resume after recess only.
Whatever. How did they think? Recess for. And are you ready or not? I am ready. Ready. Still coach in the ready action only.
No, but let us not continue after recess because it may take prolonged time. So Monday, Tuesday, admiralty रे केबे कराइछि 6 तारीख. So 7-8 है. Mr. Anshuman Shetty for the appellant, Mr. BP Pradhan for the respondent. On consent list on 7-5-20-25. Second matter, same thing.
Connected.
Mr. R.N. Pal, Mr. R. Chaudhary, who is there? Second matter, Kodire Lekhantu, Mr. Anshuman Shetty for the appellant.
Yes, sir.
You are there.
I am for item number 20.
Acha. Respondent none to grant further opportunity list on 7-5-20-25. 7 को रख लेना 7-5. Registry shall inform the learned counsel appearing for the opposite party regarding listing of the matter. Yes, next. Mr. Sahoo, Mr. S.K. Sahoo for the appellant, Mr. Anshuman Shetty for the respondent. On consent list on 8-5. Is it convenient for you on 8?
And after vacation.
After vacation? Yes. Date कर दियो तो. On consent list on 2-7-20-25.
My lord, in there is an interim order, my lord.
Regarding what, sir?
The stay of the execution proceeding, my lord.
Execution ta kahin ki apna, you are the land houstee. Why should you stay execution? The reason for staying of execution?
An impeachment order is.
But you are a claimant along with the land houstee, or you have a competing claim?
Yes, my lord.
Stay of execution kebe hitla?
28/2/2024. Stay operation is still continuing, my lord.
Just a second, just a second. IA number, the interim order dated, the 28/2/2024, passed in IA number 87 of 2023, shall continue till the next date of hearing. No, it is absolute. Order dated 19/4/2024. Since the appeal has been admitted, the interim order is made absolute. So it is still disposal of the appeal.
Thank you. I am it absolute, my lord.
Sorry?
Yes. 19/4/2024.
You can check it, because nowadays the orders are being uploaded. At least that much of advancement we have made. So because then I mean, there is no need also, and that creates a complication. The other side will say that by implication the order was not continuing. Why should you are beneficiary of the order?
Grateful.
Yes. Pass over. Thank you.